Westermans here again, just looking at a machine which has been purchased by a company in Ireland and collected in one. It's a Esprit Lightning 2000 with an HPR Hypertherm 260 just being loaded. Machine has been sold as is and removed from a factory working. Sometimes this is a cheaper option for customers to go to rather than a service price, and obviously delivery time means it's a lot quicker. More can be seen on CNC plasmas that we have in stock today if required, and email welding@Westermans for prices or request prices from the website. Thank you for looking. I'll just have a quick look inside. As you can see, there's a couple of machines. There's an ESAB, sorry, not an ESAB, another Esprit. That's high definition XPR 170 fitted with a Donaldson. We have another Esprit, which is, this one's actually again going out as is. That's an Esprit 4 metre, I believe, with gas and plasma. Plasma on that one is the 260. You can see there's a Westermans just arrived with a bevel head and 3 gas posts. Bed length about 2.5 metres, I believe, just being set up and installed. Another machine arrived, which is an Esprit Lightning HD with a 260, and sitting on top of that one is a nice little Esprit Arrow. One of my favourite machines, nice and light, limited on the cutting thickness, but as all Esprit machines, built to quality. Thank you for looking. More machines available to be viewed on the website at westermans.com. As you can see, plenty of stock of various different items and more stock arriving daily. Some stock not even listed on the website, so if you're unsure but you think we might have it, by all means drop me an email, welding@westermans.com. Thanking you.